How to get your DMV driving record. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So open your preferred browser and then search for get DMV driving record. And then you will get this option. Simply launch the website. And now you will have to request for your DMV driving record. Then simply tap on this button, Start Driver's Record Request. Make sure you follow all these instructions before you begin, and then after that all you have to do is fill up the basic information that it asks you to and send or submit the form, and that way you will be able to get your DMV driving record. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.